Now let's look at a simple card trick that you can perform using the techniques that you have learned. Have your audiences select a card, any card at all. I'll look away, you look at the card, remember the card and don't forget it. Alright? The card goes on top like this and cut it, bury it in the middle like so. Okay? Now watch this. What if I told you that I can just wave my hands and snap my fingers just like that, and your card will magically turn face up? That would be amazing, right? Let's take a look. As I spread through the cards very slowly, one card and one card only is face up. The 5 of diamonds. From your reaction, I can tell that it is not your card, but it's an indicator card. It indicates to me that 5 more cards will be your selected card. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the first time, what was your card? The Jack of Diamonds. The Jack of Diamonds indeed. But that's not all. The amazing thing is this, that these 4 cards, they are actually the 4 aces. And that is the card trick called Fantastic 5. Now let's learn it. To perform the Fantastic 5 card trick, you need some preparation. First thing you need to do is to remove the 4 aces and take out any 5. Any 5, okay? Now I need you to just turn the 5 face down like so and put the rest of the aces like that, okay? One more time, any 4 aces and a 5 face down like that. Now if you turn the whole deck over in a performing mode, it will look something like this. There is a 5 followed by the 4 aces on the bottom like so, okay? When you ask somebody to select a card during this, do not spread all the way to the bottom, alright? Just spread and ask them to select a card from the center. Now, they'll remove one card, in this case, the 2 of hearts, alright? And then you just cut the cards like so and ask them to place it back into the deck. They do so, the 2 of hearts, the rest of the cards, they all stack, goes on top like so. Now you say, would it be amazing if you just wave your hands and snap your fingers and their card magically turns face up? Chances are they will say, yeah, I would like to see you do that. And then you spread the cards and show that there's only one card that is face up. And judging from their reaction, you will know that you got the wrong card. Now all you have to do is just cut all the cards above, keeping the 5 face up on top, and say, oh, maybe this is just an indicator card. It indicates to me that 5 more cards will be your selected card. Take this card, place it face down like so, and just deal the cards 1, 2, 3, 4, face down on a table. These are actually already the 4 aces, but keep them as a surprise. And say the 5th card is your card. What was your card? The 2 of hearts. The 2 of hearts indeed. And then now pause for a while, let the reaction subside and say, oh, by the way, if I just snap my fingers like this, these 4 cards actually are the 4 aces. So that is the explanation for the Fantastic 5 card trick. I hope you like it.